In this video, I'm going to show how Koantek can help NHL teams ingest SportlogiQ data into the Databricks platform. This right here is the Databricks catalog. This is where you can see all of your data in Databricks. Databricks has a governance layer called Unity Catalog that allows you to have full control over all of your data and AI assets across all of your workspaces. This allows you to search your data, track data lineage, and also manage permissions and access on tables and machine learning models. In this workspace, we have an NHL catalog where we're storing all of our NHL data. Inside of the SportlogiQ schema, we have predefined delta tables that are populated with data that we collect from the SportlogiQ API. We collect that data using workflows. So if I go over to workflows right here, we have Koantek has built orchestrated data pipelines that make nightly calls to the SportlogiQ API after the previous day's NHL games have finished. This right here is our staging job, where we use parameterized notebooks to make calls to the SportlogiQ API and to collect data from the previous day's games to also getting metrics and events for those games. Databricks allows you to view the runs of these jobs and to see the code that was executed and to check and see if any errors occurred or just to see it succeed. Once this job is complete, we also have an enrichment job that enriches the data from its raw JSON format and converts it into tabular format. It also cleans up the data and inserts the newest data that we have every night into our predefined delta tables. Once our data is cleaned and organized into feature tables, we can do all kinds of analytic use cases such as build dashboards, do machine learning, or use generative AI to make natural language queries to drive insights from our data. And the great thing about Databricks is that all of this can be done inside of Databricks. I hope this was informative and a short way to see how the Koantek and Databricks can provide value to NHL teams with SportlogiQ data ingestion pipelines on Databricks.